Magandang hapon po ng August 11, 2026 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 11, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, August 11, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 11, 2026, Tuesday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, August 11, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 11, 2026, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.